Supporting Movie Actress of the Year. This award recognizes the people's favorite supporting actress for her outstanding performances that effectively support the leads and enhance the overall impact of the film. And the nominees are Jenica Garcia for Hello Love Again, Eugene Domingo for The And the Breadwinner Is, Maris Racal for The And the Breadwinner Is, Alexander De Rossi for Green Bones, Nadine Lustre for Uninvited, Sofia Pablo for Green Bones, and the VPCA Supporting Movie Actress of the Year goes to Eugene Domingo for The And the Breadwinner Is. Congratulations!
VP Choice Awards, 6th VP Choice Awards. Maraming salamat po dahil nakatanggap po ako ng magandang balita. Ay, naku! Ako daw po ang nanalo bilang Best Supporting Actress nitong nakaraang taon. At bilang ate baby po sa And the Breadwinner Is pelikula ni Vice, I am very thankful. Idea First, Star Cinema, Quantum Films, thank you very much for giving me that wonderful job. To all the other cast, and most especially to our Director June Robles Lana, to Star Cinema Creatives, and to my sister, Vice Ganda. Thank you. It was really an unforgettable, and the pleasure and the honor is mine. And up to this day, nakakatanggap ako ng praises and awards because of our movie And the Breadwinner Is. Again, to all the online voters and industry experts, thank you very much sa inspiration, sa recognition, at makakaasa po kayo, tuloy-tuloy po ang pagiging inspired actor ko because of these recognitions. Thank you sa lahat ng mga manonood ng pelikulang Pilipino. Maraming salamat.